Hello YouTube, how to eat in a war. Unfortunately, the nutrition of most people now leaves much to be desired. Disorders in the work of the gastrointestinal tract, failure of the menstrual cycle, nervous exhaustion. Now it is the responsibility of everyone to take care of their body and health. The first thing to do is to establish a nutrition as much as possible under these conditions. You need to eat 3 times a day. In one meal should always be proteins, fats, carbohydrates. Proteins, it can be a variety of canned food, twists, stew, chicken, duck, turkey, fish, canned fish, eggs. Carbohydrates, bread, whole grain bread, any cereals, pasta, spaghetti. Fats, any vegetable oils, butter, nuts, seeds, lard. Vegetables, fiber, canning, sauerkraut, cucumbers, tomatoes, eggplant, squash, caviar are suitable. If you have access to fresh vegetables and herbs, add them to your diet. Buy frozen vegetables that can be used to quickly prepare various dishes and soups. If you have fruits, dried fruits, marshmallows, add them to the first or a long meal. The body also needs glucose. Be healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.